how to shine a light into an existing HDRI map. With the HDRI map loaded in HDR Light Studio, create a soft round light from the toolbar. Click in the render view to position this, and let's scale it to be larger. At the moment, this light is added with the blend mode add. So it has this kind of foggy white appearance. What we need to shine light into the HDRI map is to change the blend mode to amplify. Now, as we increase the brightness of this light, it's like we were shining a torch into this area of the HDRI map. And you can see here that this is much brighter in the reflection. To get more control over this, we can open up the ramp, change the mode here to Bezier, double click to add points, and we can create a nice natural S-curve for the fall off of that light. And then we'll scale it to be a bit bigger, and then we'll make it a bit brighter. I can duplicate this light, and we can shine some light down here on the floor as well, but maybe not so bright. So that's how easy it is to shine light into an existing HDRI map with HDR Light Studio.